Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start now by confirming the machine is level and the water supply valves are open. This prevents leaks and imbalance. Next, you inspect garments for hidden items, then sort loads by weight so the tub spins evenly. Once done, you load clothes loosely. Leave about 3 to 4 inches of space at the top, because overfilling causes poor cleaning and extra vibration. Make sure to add the correct detergent type and measured amount into the dispenser. This preserves fabric and avoids residue. You now choose the proper cycle and explain why each matters. Heavy for towels, delicate for lingerie, quick for small loads, because cycle mechanics differ. Then you pick temperature, cold to preserve dyes, warm for everyday soils, hot for sanitizing whites, and set spin speed to protect garments while extracting water efficiently. Once chosen, adjust soil level and options like pre-wash or extra rinse depending on stains and sensitivity. These fine controls change wash time and agitation. You finish the wash by running the final spin to remove excess water, then promptly remove items to prevent mildewy smells and wrinkles. Once unloaded, wipe the gasket and clean the detergent drawer monthly, and leave the door slightly open to air dry. These steps prevent mold. If you encounter vibration, banging, or an error code, first rebalance the load and redistribute items. If errors persist, power cycle the machine and check hoses and filters. That simple troubleshooting often resolves common issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.